Interregnum period 1-02, 1-13. After the Battle of Ankara, Turkish unity in Anatolia collapsed and the Ottoman Empire faced the danger of disintegration. Following the death of their father, Yıldırım Bayezid, his sons began to fight for the throne. Thus began the greatest period of turmoil in Ottoman history. These throne struggles, known as the Interregnum period, were further intensified by Timur's desire not to leave behind a strong state in Anatolia and by Byzantine intrigues. Süleyman Çelebi declared himself Sultan in Edirne, Isa Çelebi in Bursa, Mehmed Çelebi in Amasya, and Musa Çelebi in Balıkesir. Mehmed Çelebi and Musa Çelebi reached an agreement and eliminated Isa Çelebi, who was governing Bursa. Mehmed Çelebi also knew that Süleyman Çelebi needed to be removed. To this end, he sent Musa Çelebi to Edirne against Süleyman Çelebi. Musa Çelebi defeated his brother Süleyman Çelebi and captured Edirne. However, he broke his promise to Mehmed Çelebi and declared himself Sultan in Edirne. In 1413, Mehmed Çelebi finally eliminated Musa Çelebi as well, bringing an end to the Interregnum period.